Mm. It's really delicious. Hello, so I just went to the farmer's market and bought some ingredients for my favorite recipe. It's sunflower seed and tomato crust pies. And yeah, so here we have nutritional yeast, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, some thyme, dates, lemon, basil, and tomatoes, and also some oats, and you mix it all together and mix it into a crust, and it's really delicious and really healthy. So the tomatoes are a really good source of B1 and A and C, vitamin C, and it's really good for strong bones and also for good skin. So all the whole recipe is just really, really delicious and good for our whole body. Yeah, so let's start. I mix 1 cup of oats into the food processor, 2 dates which I've already pitted, some basil. I just take like one handful of basil, so it's just how you like it, so there's not really a restriction or anything. And then you just put some lemon inside, which gives it like a really nice flavor of freshness and holds it all together. So when you add the flax seeds, which you combine with the sunflower seeds, because these flax seeds got some omega-6 and these got some omega-3. So when you combine that together, your body can really good absorb it. So it's a perfect source of omega-3 and omega-6 naturally acids, fatty acids. Omega.
I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch the kids walk away.
And then you just add some of the pumpkin seeds. And a little bit of nutritional yeast, which is a really, really, really good source of B12. And it gives it a really nutty flavor. And yeah, I just love it. It's really, really tasty.
Too scared now, thinking I should call up on you. Right there, on top of the moon, sitting doing nothing. Oh,
Yeah, and now we just mix it all together and these are the ingredients for the pie crust.
it's really not good.
So when you have it like a little bit of garlic inside, you can just add like maybe, I know just put maybe half a clove inside, or some little bit of additional flavor. Perfect. So now it looks like this, and it has this sticky texture, and it holds it all together, and it's like really soft and delicious, and the flavors and it smells so good. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to eat it.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing.
the fridge, but I just now put some of the hummus I bought in the farmer's market, which has amazing options also for plant-based eaters.
How we watch things the kids walk away. Let's live on my
And we add the extra touch, a little bit of the fresh tomato.
I'll wait for you both to like sail away. I just
A little bit of
here.
the lemon.
Can you be here? Not good. Alone. I'll be okay.
And here we go, the perfect lunch snack. Maybe I just try it for now so you can see it. It's really delicious.
Wie es mir schmeckt.
Genau, now let's, Anna is now trying the savory cup oder pie, and she's my perfect videographer, and yeah, so
Very, very good.
oh.